Hello and welcome to this introduction video about Zeigo Activate, a new and exciting sustainability software offer recently launched by Schneider Electric. I'm Lovisa Tedestedt, Global Strategic Account Director. It's my pleasure to bring Zeigo Activate by Schneider to our IT channel partners to add to their portfolio of sustainable products and solutions. Zeigo Activate is an annual subscription-based software designed to help small to medium-sized businesses get a handle on how to reduce their company's carbon emissions. Zeigo by Schneider Electric leverages decades of sustainability expertise and a proven history of successfully executing decarbonization strategies for our clients. We know what it takes to transform ambition into action. Zeigo Activate is an affordable and easy-to-use solution which even the most novice users will find user-friendly. As conversations surrounding sustainability continue to grow and governments around the globe are increasingly weighing in by issuing regulations, guidance, and incentives, organizations of all sizes need to closely monitor potential impacts on their strategies, operations, and reporting. No matter where your organization is located, the global reach of operations, supply chain, and financial markets means taking ESG-related action may soon be required. So I'm very excited about the next part as we discuss Zeigo Activate and what impact we see for sustainable solutions in the IT channel. Steph Bezanis, welcome. You are the product manager of Zeigo Activate at Schneider Electric, and Curtis Ganji, Director Global Partner Engagement for Schneider Electric at Ingram Micro. A warm welcome to both of you. I'm excited to have you here.
Thanks, Lovisa. Happy to be here. Great to participate. Thank you.
Thank you. So sustainability is a hot topic today, with analyst firms like Canalys reporting that the environmental sustainability landscape for the IT industry is evolving quickly, driven by government legislation, customer demand, and growing societal pressures. So Schneider Electric has recently launched Zeigo Activate to be sold by Ingram Micro to our channel partners. So Steph, maybe first, help explain Zeigo Activate as a software solution and its benefits.
Happy to start with that. So Zeigo Activate is a software as a service application designed specifically for small and medium-sized enterprises who are looking to decarbonize and reduce their carbon emissions or their energy usage. So Zeigo Activate aims to be as user-friendly as possible, while also providing educational resources. And many of our users may have little to no experience with decarbonization or sustainability, while others, they might be seasoned professionals. So therefore, our system is designed to accommodate users of all experience levels. When users first join our platform, we guide them through a decarbonization journey. This includes helping them establish a baseline, setting up their sites within our system, and assisting them in setting those decarbonization targets. Users can choose from our recommended targets or create custom ones to suit their needs. Also, we provide guidance through the energy data collection and emission calculation processes, leading users to a personalized roadmap of project recommendations and actions to achieve their decarbonization goals. And finally, we offer a marketplace where users can connect with solution providers who can implement the projects that we've recommended. So it's really a one-stop shop for companies looking to decarbonize, regardless if they have started that journey or not.
Oh, so it sounds very comprehensive, and it's clearly, we see an increased pressure for companies today to engage and act on ESG-related requirements and initiatives. So tell us more about what challenges and opportunities do you see that small and medium-sized businesses have to comply with around sustainability?
Yeah, that's a really important question. So if we start with the challenges, on a broad level, we all vaguely understand what decarbonization is and what it can look like. But getting down to specific number and reporting on them is a whole other challenge. Companies are going to struggle to measure or find the appropriate metrics and standards that not only meet government regulations, but also provide information to the public and their shareholders. So many companies have to manually track that information they collect and enter it in via old school ways like Excel. It's not very effective, and it can be obviously quite time consuming. So that's an area where Zeigo Activate can help tremendously, especially for companies without dedicated sustainability teams. Ultimately, I think finding a direction to get started in is the hardest challenge in decarbonization, especially for SMEs. We have found that a lot of companies don't even know what TCO2e means, so how can we expect them to start a decarbonization journey on their own? There are several different standards out there today, and companies have to rely on a number of different agencies depending on where they are in the world. It's a lot to take in. It can be both complex and confusing for small businesses. Zeigo Activate helps navigate this landscape and provides the tools necessary for getting started on and sustaining a decarbonization journey. But despite all the challenges that businesses will face, many companies recognize how important all of this is. Decarbonization for business means that the short-term struggles outweigh the long-term success and survivability of the company. So when decarbonization is a core value, a business is able to make a positive impact on the environment while significantly enhancing their brand, reducing energy usage, and satisfying their stakeholders or supply chain in the process.
I mean, we see this a lot where companies have to brand themselves today with sustainability action that they're taking. So again, with all the challenges that they're facing, what are some of the emerging trends around sustainability for small, medium businesses and what they should be aware of?
So despite there being no global sustainability standards today, we are seeing a massive demand for sustainability compliance and reporting tools. This includes standards from organizations like GHG, SBTI, and CDP. So we're doing a couple things to future-proof against these trends and make sure Zeigo Activate stays relevant for our users. We're creating tools to help track and reduce carbon emissions for scopes 1 through 3. We're creating alignment and reporting functionality for industry-leading standards. And we're packing that all into a simple and easy-to-use interface in Zeigo Activate.
Great. So Curtis, I haven't forgotten about you.
Thank you.
Any insight from Ingram's perspective on all of this?
Yeah, Ingram has a long history in sustainability, and we care deeply about our ESG mission to carry out our 10 to 0 company initiative, which results in 0 greenhouse gas emissions, 0 waste, and 0 recordable safety incidents by 2030. Our goal is to set the standard for how distribution can bring the best sustainable solutions and offers to our IT partners. We're going to accomplish this through our dedicated environmental sustainability program called Ingram Microplanetary.
Yes, we have heard lots about Ingram Microplanetary. So speaking of trends, for our IT channel partners listening in, Schneider Electric has recently launched the Sustainability School for Partners, really there to help IT partners and distributors understand why sustainability is a business priority and how to take action as a company and how to leverage sustainability know-how to win new business. So the Sustainability School can be found on the My Schneider partner page and on APC's website. So we urge our partners to check it out.
Check it out.
But Curtis, tell us a little how Zeigo Activate will benefit Ingram's partners and their customers. I mean, what opportunities is Ingram seeing with bringing Zeigo Activate to IT partners?
Sure. Listen, we've always been focused on bringing value. Ingram Micro has always led from the tip of the spear. We see that same thing happening with Schneider and the Zeigo Activate offer. But the value to the partners, I think it's to include sustainable solutions to support the journey of their customers for a better environment, and we'll do that one small business at a time. Zeigo Activate is an example of a solution where Ingram Micro brings new business opportunities to our partners in a new area of expertise that we haven't offered in the past, and making sure we bring the latest solutions up front and forward to the partners. And Zeigo Activate is just the beginning of how we're going to bring sustainability solutions to our IT channel partners and their customers.
Great. Yeah, we're excited to have this partnership. So,
As we are too.
Steph, we also know this is a highly competitive and growing market with increased players really popping up every day, it seems like, with decarbonization tools. So what sets Zeigo Activate apart from competition?
Yeah, I think you're right. There's definitely a lot of competition that's going on, and it's a very tight market. So I think there are 2 things that are advantageous about Zeigo Activate. First, we built this platform leveraging the expertise of Schneider Electric's sustainability business, which is a global leader in the industry. So the software leverages decades and decades of combined experience to guide users on their decarbonization journey. Specifically, we can create custom and unique roadmaps because of the knowledge lent to us from the sustainability business. Second, as I mentioned before, the platform has been designed to be as simple as possible. That allows it to accommodate any type of company regardless if they are just starting their journey or if they've been calculating their own emissions for years and are looking to make that process simpler.
Excellent. So maybe help us understand then what customers can expect once they have purchased Zygo Activate and are just simply starting using it.
It's really easy. First, you create your login on our website. Then you'll create a company profile. We're going to create your first site, and then you enter some energy data. If you have energy bills in front of you, we can start calculating your emissions in under 5 minutes. After that, we'll set your baseline. We're going to set your decarbonization target, and then we're going to generate that custom roadmap I've mentioned a couple times. Finally, we have other tools within the platform that allow you to compare your emissions against your peers with our benchmarking tool, or you can download reports with a variety of our reporting tools. And of course, our simple UI will be guiding you all along the way. But if you do get stuck, you can reach out to us directly through the chatbot or Message Copilot, which is our in-system AI implementation that can assist with all Zygo Activate related questions.
Great. Thank you, Steph. That seems very easy to use. So we are reaching the end of our discussion, and I would like to just see how can now channel partners interested in introducing Zygo Activate to their customers get started? What are some of the questions they should be asking to get that conversation going?
Yep. So the first thing we tend to verify is the company size and making sure that Zygo Activate is actually a good fit for them. So usually companies with 10 sites or less, 250 employees or less, they're going to be a good fit. And that is also generally how we define small and medium-sized enterprises. Companies that are slightly larger may still be a good fit for Zygo Activate, whereas companies that are much larger, they're going to be better suited for other tools and platforms within Schneider Electric. Once you've verified the company is a good fit, you can introduce the conversation around decarbonization with some important questions. We can ask them, where are you right now with your decarbonization journey? Or tell me more about your company's energy systems or operations. Are there any pressures moving you to become more decarbonized? Are you part of a supply chain that is forcing you to become more decarbonized? So who's responsible within your organization for carbon emission reduction and energy management software solutions?
Yeah, those are some great questions to ask. Curtis, any final thoughts on recommendations for resellers to get started engaging with Ingram Micro?
Yeah, I think this is a huge service opportunity for our partners to add value to their end customer base. We know this is happening in the industry and in the markets. And now there's an easy tool that they can use from Schneider, which is Zygo Activate. So I recommend reaching out to Zygo directly, either Zygo Activate to their website, request your demo. It's exclusively for partners, and there'll be a website that they can go to during this video. Simple and easy. And let me just say, just for closing, Schneider Electric is leading from up front. And this is a great place for you as an Ingram Micro partner and as an APC Schneider partner to begin understanding your customers' environments. And then once you do through this tool, come back to Ingram so we can help you build the solutions that not only can help start the journey to sustainability, but that will keep you on that journey.
Excellent closing thoughts and remarks.
Thank you.
So I want to thank both of you for a great session today and the opportunity to learn more about Zygo Activate through Ingram Micro. And for our listeners who want to learn more and access links featured in this chat, check out the information at the conclusion of this video. We will post all the information here at the end. Thank you all.